Hey, what's up, guys? This is Yashvi Gaming. So today I'm gonna show you how do we set up this Maono AU-A04 Professional Audio Innovation Podcasting Microphone Kit. Okay, so as you can see, I got the clip here. Okay, as you can see, I've got the clip, and I've already managed to clamp that. Okay, so as you can see that. Oh, and now, guys, all you gotta do is to grab that arm. Okay, the arm, and then as you can see this, you can see this comes in there. Okay, first you will see this, so you wanna open that. Okay, guys, so as you can see, this goes in this hole. As you can see that screw. Okay, this armpit, it goes in this hole right here. Okay, as you can see that, and now we got to screw it. Okay, so you have to position it first. So because when you open the arm, when you stretch that armpit, okay, so what if I'm sitting right here? Okay, so here I'm gonna install the let's say I'm gonna put this foam filter. Okay, I don't know how to call that. It's like plastic thing. Okay, so I'm gonna enter the mic inside this, and then I'm gonna put the mic in here on top, or I'm gonna scroll that down, and the microphone, guys, will hold here. Okay, just here, it will hold in this position. Okay, and on top of that, so now, guys, okay, so all we gotta do is from here is for we to screw that thing. Okay, do not stretch it too much, just a little. Now, guys, we moved on for the mic. Okay, so I've got the mic. Okay, as you can see, the mic. Let me focus. Fucking camera. Okay, as you can see, the mic, Maono. Okay, so I'm gonna insert the mic into this thing. Okay, into this thing over here, and then I'm gonna insert it in here. Okay, so this goes in there. Okay, guys, so well, I can't do that with just one hand, of course, so I'm gonna need all my two hands working. Okay, guys, so you'll have just I'm gonna pause the video and resume it in a while. Okay, guys, so this is how the mic should look like. Okay, so long last. Okay, so let me do that here. As you can see, now I'm gonna stretch the arm. Okay, I'm gonna swap the arm open, and the mic should be forward like this. Okay, the mic should be on forward. Okay, you can also Okay, so as you speak, okay, if you speak right over here, as you can see the mic, that, so you will speak directly to this. As you can see, the Maono logo is right in front of the mic, which is good, and we got the foam filter, which is also good. Okay, and now all you gotta do, guys, okay, now all you gotta do, as you can see, this cable here, okay, so this goes. Okay guys, so this is Yashvia Gaming. Welcome to the part 2. Okay, so as you can see now, the mic has already been set up. Okay, so if you stretch the arm, okay, as you can see, you will lean forward and you will directly speak into the mic right over here. And just to make sure, guys, make sure that the, as you can see that there, the Maono logo is right in front. And yeah, make sure the Maono logo is in front, so when you speak it will definitely record. Okay, so now you've already put the cable, and now all you gotta do is to you got the other end of the USB cable here, so we gonna plug this in into our PC or laptop. Okay, and on your Windows, okay, so I'm gonna log in, and suppose if you want to use OBS Studio, okay, so for instance, guys, you will find your mic if you go to the open sound system settings. Okay, if you go in the sound system, okay, and when you click manage sounds devices, and here you will find your you'll see the microphone, Realtek audio USB. Okay, so it's okay. And here, guys, yeah, all you gotta do is, suppose if you have to create a scene, okay, a different scene, as you can see that here. So here you wanna add your mic. Okay, you wanna add your mic, so when I'm speaking right now, okay, so as you can see, guys, I'm gonna hit record, and let's first see, let's hear if the mic will pick up or not. Okay, recording. Hello guys, Yashvia Gaming, and if you're new to my channel, I would like you to kill my little smash the subscribe button. Okay, and let's view the video now.